Good morning. My name is Dr. Ashraf El Houfi. I work in the intensive care unit of Dubai Hospital. I also chair the Infection Control Committee. Today, I will be given a presentation about the quality improvement in the infection control. Usually, people are thinking that healthcare services are not the good field to implement quality improvement. We will present today the quality improvement projects which we implemented in the field of infection control in the form of bundles of care. In Dubai Hospital, we adopted 3 bundles of care, one to reduce or prevent the ventilator-associated pneumonia. The second is to reduce and prevent the catheter-associated bloodstream infection. The third one is to reduce and prevent the catheter-associated urinary tract infection. We will show in that presentation how effective is the bundles of care as a quality improvement project in the infection control in reducing the incidence of healthcare-associated infection.